stand apart from other builders or models that you've been in?
I love the way they've customized the home. Well, I love some of the standard features that you guys offer.
It's a very open layout, like you come out and you feel like it's a wide nest.
The cabinetry in the kitchens are outstanding.
Well, their included features are a little bit different than a lot of builders.
The drive-in appeal is pretty amazing, I would say, for the area.
Brought you up today.
Because I love these homes. I love working with you guys.
What I like about the area is there's a lot of nice amenities.
Find out what the neighborhood had to offer.
And I really like the houses are easy to show because number one, they're beautiful.
First Texas Home is an amazing builder, so I've worked with y'all before and look forward to doing it again.
See what exciting things First Texas was going to provide to my clients and other homeowners.
And I like the fact that you guys like working with realtors.